Have you ever wanted to control multiple mixer inserts with one insert? Well, today we're going to learn about subgroup mixing and some other cool tricks. So we're going to jump right in. Here is insert 1, 2, 3, and 4, kick, clap, hat, snare. So we can actually just name these really quick. Awesome. So make a quick loop. Okay, there's our loop. Now, if I want to control these drums, I'm going to just make a bus, which is basically just a route for the audio to go to one insert, and I'm going to name it drum mix. I personally usually throw like a little asterisk after it so that it kind of stands out to my eye. Okay, so the trick is we're going to hold down control on our keyboard, and then with our left mouse click, we're going to hold down with the left mouse click and drag across the inserts that we want to highlight. Those will be the ones that we will send to the drum mix by right-clicking right here, route to this track only. So that means that they're going to go only to the drum mix. Now, the thing is here, you can tell which inserts are being routed to your drum mix because they're ghosted out here. So now I have complete control over all 4 of my drum instruments that are sent to this drum mix: volume, stereo separation, panning, and we also can add compression, reverb to all 4 of them at once. So this is a great tool that you can use while mixing so that you can keep everything grouped and separate things so you can mute things quickly and easily. And then if you decide you don't want an insert routed to that channel anymore, you can just right-click the master insert and route to this track only. And just so you guys know that any effects that you put on these individual instruments will still be in play even though they're routed to the drum mix. So let me show you a really quick example of how this could be used on a larger scale. And stick around because I have one more tip for you. So here we have an example of a song that I mixed. It is Rayleigh L's Hey You There. And as you can see, I have a few highlighted mixer inserts here. Now, instrumental mix, instrum mix, which for me is short for instrument mix, drum mix, and vocal mix. So when you're mixing a track, you're going to want to stay organized. And this tool that we're talking about, subgroup mixing, it's a great way to do that. So as you can see, I have all my instrumental going to this one instrumental mix. As I click on it, you can see these are all ghosted out. So let's take a listen. And if I want to add the vocals, it's just a couple clicks. So if we dissect this a little bit, you can see that we actually have kind of a subgroup within a subgroup within a subgroup going on here. It's kind of a subgroup inception. We have a snare mix that controls these 4 snares that then routes to the drum mix. Drum mix routes to the instrumental mix and then to the master. Hat room mix, perk room mix. It's a great way to add equalization to all your hats or your perks, reverb, compression, and it's also a great way to mix vocals. So I have my chorus mix, which covers my chorus, my verse 1, my verse 2, my verse 3. And within even those verses, we have like a verse 1 ad-libs mix. So I promise you guys another tip, and here it is. If you hold down the Alt button on your keyboard and you left-click this mute solo button, it's going to solo out everything that's routed to that mixer insert that you clicked on. So see how the vocal mix and all the vocals are all muted out now? So this is great for when you're mixing the instrumental and you want to just listen to the drums. Alt left click, there's my drums. Alt left click, there's my instruments. Alt left click, instrumental, vocals only, and then you just got to do it again to make everything play. That about wraps it up, guys. If you have any questions, throw them in the comment section. Please give this video a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.